Year 4 Science class. Hello there, Mr. Steve is here. Welcome to my channel. Now we are going to start learning like this. Let's start with some keywords connected to flowering plants. So please repeat the following. Stamens, porzó. Pistil, termő. Fertilization, megtermékenyítés. Petals, sziromlevelek. Sepals, csészelevelek. Very good. Last time, can you remember? We had quite a lot of fruits in class and we learned what a fruit is. Can you remember the definition? If you open your book at page 58, you can practice it with me. So, a fruit is the part of a plant that holds the seeds. Now, everyone repeats, okay? Ready, steady, go. A fruit is the part of a plant that holds the seeds. Good. If you couldn't repeat it, please stop the video, go back a bit, practice again with me, okay? So, now that we know what fruits are, we also did something else last time. Can you remember? We counted the number of seeds. And some of the fruits had like hundreds of seeds inside. Some of them had just one. Okay, so today's topic is seeds. Or what happens if I plant the seed? If I give the seed water in the soil, it can start growing. Look at the phases of this growth. First, let's learn what is in the ground and what is above the ground. So, roots, shoots, roots and shoots, roots, shoots, roots and shoots. Which one is gyökérzet? Roots. And which one is hajtás? Of course, shoot or shoots. Yeah, there are many shoots if we check a plant. Okay, so let's see the other phases, because during germination a new plant is born. Embryo, seed coat, cotyledon, foliage leaves, and the new plant is there. But which one is csíra? You can make a guess. Yeah, embryo. Which one is cyclaville, which has the food for the plant? Cotyledon, yes. The seed coat is just covering the seed, you know, it's a kind of protection. And this is what we call germination. What is germination? Germination, csírázás. Okay, now we know this, but what about the different types of seeds? I will move the camera a bit, sorry about that. I would like to show you something written here on this whiteboard. And you need to stop the video here because I want you to write this in your exercise book as well. Plant part seed, that's the title, and today is the 16th of March 2020. And look at the different types of seeds. Sunflower, forget-me-not, pumpkin, beans, chestnut, poppy, and walnut. Which of these is the so-called ne felejts, which is a small flower? Forget-me-not. Which one is tökmag? Yeah, pumpkin seed. Which one is napraforgó mag, szotyola? Yeah, sunflower. Which one is chestnut? In Hungarian, it's called, yeah, gesztenye. Okay, and which one is mák? Poppy. Okay, now I would like to match some of these. If I find my pen somewhere here, yeah, it's there. So, which are the seeds which you can eat? Let's see. Sunflower. Definitely, many people eat that. Forget-me-nots, you know, it's a little flower, so no, we don't eat that. We plant it. Pumpkins, we like eating those, but you also need to plant it. Yeah, because we need new pumpkins next year. Beans, quite the same. You eat beans, but you also need new plants. So I'm going to match it with this part as well. Chestnut. If it's a wild chestnut, we just use it for growing trees. Poppy, you can eat that, but you also need new poppy plants next year. Walnut, same thing. So again, we need to eat those, but of course if you need a new walnut tree, you can plant it as well. Ooh, look at that network of lines. Now you need to fill a special chart in your book. Look at page 61 in the book and page 61 and task 1, and write there the names of the seeds which you can eat and name there the seeds which you can plant. If you finished that, then we can move on. So, can you remember what we called this part here? Yes, that's an embryo. And can you remember what we call these tiny little leaves? Yes, cotyledons, sziklevelek. Okay. And this is what we mentioned here. This is how we plant seeds. The seeds are here. Then they start growing. A little seedling will develop. Then the adult plant is there. And the flowers grow. And from the flowers, there's the fruit and the seeds can be found there at the top. So let's read the whole thing. Ready, steady, go. We will start at number 1, okay? So, ready, steady, go. 1. The seed. It contains stored food and an embryo, a new plant. 2. The seedling. This new little plant grows out of the seed. 3. The adult. This plant grows and can reproduce. 4. The flowers. Male flower pods produce pollen. Female parts produce eggs. They combine and form seeds. 5. The fruit and the seeds. The flower falls off, the seeds are inside. But do you always eat a fruit? Or sometimes you eat some other parts of the plant, like the seeds? Let's check this together with me. Ready, steady, go. There are plants which do not grow from seeds. Some plants grow from bulbs, onions, snowdrops, or stems, potatoes, where they store the nutrients during winter. In spring, the new plant sprouts from these parts. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to learn something about this topic. I would like you, year 4, to remember the 5 basic parts of this cycle, how fruits grow from the seed. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to learn all this by heart. Don't forget that, please. Plus, there's one more homework task, and it's on the whiteboard. In the book, please find these 3 tasks on page 61. Task 2, 3, and 4. In task 2, you need to draw some seeds which you know well, and you need to write their names under them. Next time, we are going to check the written homework, and we are going to revise a bit as well. Just one more thing. Is this a fruit? Yes, it is. Look at this leek. That's like póréhagyma. Is this a fruit? No. It's not a fruit, it's the stem. A cucumber. Is this the fruit? Termés. Yes, it is. And maybe 2 more. cabbage. Is this a fruit? Do we eat the fruit of this plant? No, we eat the leaves. And the cauliflower, do you eat the fruit? No, you eat the flowers. But you eat the fruit of the pepper. Don't forget, please, that the word fruit means termés here. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget to do the homework and don't forget to learn the 5 parts of the text. See you next time. Bye bye.